Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp on two phones, quick fix step by step clearly. To use WhatsApp on two phones, start by ensuring both devices have internet access. Install WhatsApp on the second phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open WhatsApp on the second phone. Choose the option to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to input your phone number. Select your country code and enter your phone number carefully. Tap on Next to proceed. WhatsApp will send a verification code to the number you entered. Check your first phone for the verification code. Enter the code on the second phone when prompted. If the code is not received, select the option to send it again. Once the code is verified, you can set up your profile on the second phone. You can now use WhatsApp on both devices. To keep your chats synchronized, consider using WhatsApp Web or an additional device feature. Remember, using WhatsApp on two phones may have limitations on synchronization. Ensure both phones are linked to the same account for seamless use. Always log out from one device before switching to another to maintain privacy. Enjoy chatting on both phones with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.